Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Parvej and today I'll design a snake logo using letter S. In this video I'll show you the snake logo design start to finish. I think you will learn something from the video, so keep watching and practice with me. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. I have taken artboard with 4000 pixel into 20,000 pixel. After taking the artboard, one thing is that make sure go to color palette and turn off fill color, then go to stroke, set black and set stroke size 1. Let's start the design. First of all, go to rectangle tool and draw a rectangle and make size 1500 into 100. Then hit OK button and then go to rectangle tool again and draw another rectangle and make size 1500 into 50. Right, select the second rectangle and drag and drop on first rectangle bottom line, then select first rectangle and hold Alt, drag and drop on second rectangle bottom line like this. Alright, then press Ctrl D one time for make copy with same distance. Alright, then delete the second rectangle. From here I took second rectangle just for measurement. Right, then select the ellipse tool and draw a circle between first two rectangle like this. Right, then select the circle and go edit, then copy, then go edit again and paste in place. Right, then select the cursor and drag to center till touch the point, till touch the line. Okay, then select to circle, then select to circle and make groove, then make copy by pressing Ctrl C B, then drag and drop on first circle right border like this, then make copy by pressing Ctrl C B and drag and drop on second circle group and third rectangle bottom line. Right, then make copy again and then drag and drop on under the first circle group and third rectangle bottom line. Then go to ellipse tool and draw a circle and make size 30 into 30 pixel. Okay, then press OK and select the circle and drag and drop here. Right, and just drop on right side circle border and make sure the center. Alright, I will draw snake head from here. Okay, then go to ellipse tool again and draw another circle and make size 20 pixel into 20 pixel, then hit OK, then drag and drop on here and OK. I will draw snake eye from here. Right, now I will draw snake logo. For that, select the groove and take shape builder tool and start draw from here. At first I will draw snake head, so draw and make round shape and draw and just join, and you have to join every corner, otherwise you will not get proper segment. Then remove the circle here, Then select the logo and go option make ungroup. Then select the logo again and apply a color, right? And that's pretty cool. This is the final work and I think it's look cool. In this way you can design logo. What do you think about the logo? Please let me know in comment section below. I'll back with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.